Hi, so I got a video. This is my video. I'm like doing a bacon like cook. I'm just gonna like pop some eggs. Pop. Exploded it. Sorry, I stopped talking for a second, but I'll keep talking. So anyways, this is a pop egg. Pop! That's fun. Anyways, there's one. Exploded. I got some shell in there. Ew. Oh, I can't really get it out. Oh well. You know, after you pop eggs, it's good to like pop them again. Into here. Crunched. Got them all crunchy. That's fun. And one more. Now it's exploded. I gotta clean my hand because it's real gross. Ah, it's stuck. Yeah. Ah, it's stuck to me. Oh. Always wash all your pops down the sink. And you won't have any more grosses on you. Oh. So, I'll show you my bacon. Oh. It looks good. It looks happy to me. Put my pops in. Yum yums. And these ones. Ah. Whoa. What the hell? Oops. Anyways, those are my bacons and my eggs. So I'm gonna eat all of this, and yeah, bye. Hope you had fun.